Well, good evening, folks. I want to fix us up a little supper tonight. I got some pork ribs, homestyle pork ribs. I'm gonna mix me up a spice rub and put on it. I'll put them in the Instapot, and I'm gonna cook them for. These things are tough, so I'm gonna cook them about an hour in the Instapot with the spices on them. I'll cook them done in there and get them tender. Then we'll take them out and we'll put barbecue sauce or something on them real good. Put them in the oven, brown them off real good. It's gonna be good. I got some fresh green beans or some green beans fresh from the store, but I got a bunch of them little potatoes where I gathered my potatoes the other day, little new potatoes. I'm gonna put them in with the green beans, cook them. Then maybe have some corn or something. That'd be about it for tonight. But right now I'm gonna get started making this spice rub up. If y'all want to watch it here, I'll get me down here where y'all can see. I got it right now. I got about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar in there. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of, or a little bit more, maybe a heaping teaspoon of chili powder. And garlic salt. About a teaspoon of it. Hopefully this is going to be enough. Onion powder, about a teaspoon. Then I got some of this steak seasoning. My wife bought some pretty good stuff. It's got paprika in it and probably a little chili powder. Pretty good stuff. We're going to mix this up real good. And I'll probably put just a little bit of oil so this will stick to it. So, yeah, that's about right. We'll put a little oil in here. We'll get this on there and then we'll just enough to hold that oil or hold that spice rub on. It's a lot of hard work. That's the best way to do it is get you clean hands, and these are clean. I've washed them up good. Get in here and rub them down. Rinse them off right quick. Yeah, that get this on there, spread it on there good. And we'll probably let it sit there for a few minutes. Well, don't worry about it. It's not bothering me. I was just making sure there wasn't nothing wrong. A bit more right here. Yeah. Okay. Give me a little forte here. Turn this over. Yes, we do. And you can definitely pray because I can see you can pray all you want to for us because we need it and we love you for it. Well, I was talking to my neighbor. No. I carried her some taters over there this morning. We dug them taters Saturday.
Okay, you do the same.
I always share with her if I can. I think she's 86. Still lives by herself. Her husband passed away. It's been, well, we've been here 10 years and he passed away the year we moved in, so. All right, let's get this on there. Won't waste none of it. Put it every bit on there. All right, we'll let them sit for a few minutes and then we'll get them in that steam pot. And I would put them on the grill, but I don't have time today. We worked out in the yard as long as we could this morning. Now it's afternoon, so I won't have time to do it on the grill. I'd rather do them on the grill, but you put that barbecue sauce or whatever on them and put them in the oven and brown them off real good, even if you have to put it on broil for a little bit. And they'll be just like they was cooked out there on the grill. I'll put a little smoke flavoring in there, and nobody know the difference. We don't worry about it no way. We just love eating them. They're good. But I'll get back with you here in a few minutes. Okay, folks, I'm back. I'm gonna get these in the pot over here so I can get them going. It's gonna take a little bit. Hope they all fit in here. I've got about a cup and a half of water down here in the bottom. I don't want to boil them. I want to steam them. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully we get them all in here. Keep all that goodness on there too. We'll yeah, boy. All right. Now we'll let y'all take a look at it there. There. We'll get them things started. All right, now don't you give me no trouble. All right, there you go. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Let's see here. Let's pressure cook this thing. We want to go time. We're gonna go about an hour, I guess. Start check them. 1 hour. It's on high. All right. Well, that's that. Well, I gotta go get my taters sorted out. I'm gonna get some little taters, some little ones to put in them beans, and we'll get them going shortly. We'll be back. Okay, folks, I'm back. I got get you down here to see here what we got going on here. Got my green beans in here in the pot. I've got some seasoning. I got some bacon. I got some Knorrs, garlic powder, black pepper, red pepper flakes, salt, and dried onions. There's about a teaspoon of dried onions, about a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Knorrs, half a teaspoon of garlic, and half a, well, maybe not hardly even a half a teaspoon of pepper and red pepper flakes. We're gonna get them in there. Get our deal going over here. I'm gonna get these in here. Get it up to get it up to temperature, and then we'll put our taters. I got these little new potatoes in there, small potatoes. They ain't new now. We pulled them out of the ground Saturday. And today's Monday, so. But I'll get we'll get this up to temp. I'll put my taters in there. Then I'll move them back here on this little eye and turn it down to low and just let them cook real slow like. For, we got an hour going over there that we've got to wait on our ribs. So I'll let these cook probably an hour. Keep a check on my potatoes because I don't want them to waste away, or not waste away, just ball away in the water. So we're going to get that going. And I might as well go ahead and put the taters in there because I may have to put a little more water. And I'll taste it for seasoning. Once it gets going, and I may have to put a little more salt and stuff like that. Let me get me just a little more water. All right. Like I say, we'll check them for flavor, and then we'll move them back here on this back eye, and we'll move them on the back eye back there, and they're gonna be good. They're gonna be real good. I don't know what else I'm gonna have. I may fix some corn. I think I got some canned corn back there, or something. I'll ask them what they want. We'll fix what they want. But we're gonna get it going. We'll get a little closer. I'll get back with you. All right, folks. I'm back, and these ribs are falling apart tender. So now I'm gonna put them over here in my pan, and then we're gonna put barbecue sauce on them. I can get them out of here without them falling apart. And it ain't gonna happen, I don't think, honey. I'm loose. I'll bet them babies right there would be good without nothing on them.
Well, just leave the barbecue sauce, and if you want it, put them on. Put the barbecue sauce on there, put it in a bowl and dip them in it.
Yeah, I might do that. That's awful. Because they are cooked.
We put them in the oven and they will fall apart.
You don't want me to brown them? Or just eat them like spare ribs?
I think they look fine. They look real good.
Give me a fork. They ought to taste good. I put a real good rub on them. Let's see if they do.
Don't burn yourself.
It was good. Yeah.
Well, let's just
They're real good.
Because I'm not really crazy about barbecue anyway.
Okay.
So, Chris can always dip his in it.
And put barbecue on mine.
Put some barbecue sauce on it.
All right, folks, I'm gonna be back in a little bit. We'll get us a plate out here. I gotta wait on my beans like just a little bit being done. I'll be back with you. All right, folks, I'm back. Everything's done. Let me let you look at it right here. There's that pork. I didn't want barbecue on it. I'm gonna put barbecue on mine. Right here's them beans and new potatoes. Woo-wee. And then we got some good corn right there. That's cream corn, and it's got some regular corn in it too. That's the way we fix it. Whole kernel corn. Then we put a little butter in it, salt and pepper. And now comes my favorite part. I'm gonna make me a plate. Sorry about that. I'm jerking y'all around everywhere. Let me make me a plate. These beans. When I was going to tell you too, I checked the beans for spice earlier, you know, like I said I would. I didn't have to add nothing to them. I can't get no beans, honey. It's all them taters. Okay, now then I'm going to get me a piece of this meat. Right there, like so. Get me some corn. Like that. We'll put a little of this barbecue on my meat here. All right. Right there it is. That's what I'm talking about. That's some good eating right here, I hope. We're going to find out. But I know it's good. I know one thing is I can't find a cool place to put my fingers. There's the corn. That's good. These beans, I know they good. Now this tater, I guarantee you it's going to be hot. Boy, it's good, but it's hot. This pork. Yeah, boy. Good supper. Just every night. We don't do it every night, but we like meals like this, you know, small. But I hope y'all like it. Give it a try. These ribs are good. You just got to get them tender. You know, you got to do something to get them tender, and they're good. But anyway, I'm going to get off here and enjoy my meal. God loves you. We love you. We hope that y'all have a great and wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.